have a very important function to attend at church. So Sister Mac is not going to come to church tonight because she's have the COVID. I didn't even know that COVID was still keeping, but she caught the COVID. So she have to stay home for a while. Because the people then forget that they must continue to sanitize, wash them hands and take caution. But as you know, they've been nasty from morning and through the COVID, you know, gone, them things say it fully gone and I know say it's still there. But such is life. So I don't have anybody to talk to while going to church, but you have to learn to talk to yourself. It's good when you can talk to yourself, you know. So I have a little story to tell you. Well, you have this man that did live down a border, Mass Clemmy and Sister Clemmy. Nice family people, them. Nice, when we say nice, them nice. And they did have 3 sons. 5 picking, they had 2 daughters and 3 sons. But we are not here for the 2 daughters. I am going to tell you about the 3 sons that Mass Clemmy and Sister Clemmy did have. The first one was a very handsome boy. They call him one word. Because after he talk one word, let me tell you, the later time where you have to wait for hear the nether word, you don't drop asleep and wake. The second one, him ain't too bad. Him was like a girl's man. Very hard working and nice. And him all do the work round the yard, like chop the wood, wash the car, because they have one car, they want blue Peugeot. Well, the last son, he didn't do no much talking. Very humble and nice. He don't do no much talking. And every time you see him, he would have an Hawaiian punch shot. So, back to the story about the blue Peugeot. And them one, you know, man, did have car in the district them the time that you know. So you know, say, we go catch the Uncle Sonny bus back then, you know. And if you not try, if you get up from 4:30, if you catch that a Peugeot when it a go down, I walk, you have to walk over 4 miles if you go to cross, if you go catch Uncle Sonny bus, because Uncle Sonny bus normally pass 5:30 a morning time. So you have to make sure say you catch a piece of blue Peugeot. Because that was the only vehicle in the district them the time there. So after the piece of blue Peugeot, you know, mash up. Because you know over time and the wear and tear of the road, because them the time that you never got road, you know, I want track. Them the time that you never got road. So overall now the piece of Peugeot mash up. And the father take sick. So in I don't know more up and down with the piece of Peugeot. So at the last boy, the one when me tell you say humble, because I don't want to call nobody name, you know. Because you know me already and name, you know. Next thing they come, hold me up. Me too holy now. You go give account for something. So me no bother with the name business too much. Alright. But make I tell you now. Him now in love the Hawaiian punch shirt so till that when you see him, no matter where clothes he have on, the Hawaiian punch shirt, the underneath, like when you don't wear your marina. I saw him have on a Hawaiian punch shirt because in love it. So one day when one day more hall when rain a fall and in reach out across and in come out because them the time they need me have umbrella. So in come out of the vehicle now and take off the top short when have on fake him mother sister Clemmy they put on because she didn't have to go take up one basket where they left underneath the shop piece and then give her the shirt when have on one nice little jacket so when he take off that now we say well he must have got naked there now. When we look at the Hawaiian punch shirt, everybody bust out a laugh in the old ladder there. Yes. So, from that now, Phoebe's new name, Inhalia's name, was Shirty. I tell you, they back in the day people there, they did different from them nowadays one yeah. Them they picking in nowadays, you can't rely upon them. Cause they mix up in a all sort of kete. But the old long time one them manageable. Hey, them parents could not depend upon them. If I fi go bush go chop wood, then go. Or if I fi water, then go. And no problem at all. But them nowadays want, hey, I pay money depend their mind and fast living. And that depend their mind, But so they rise up fast and so they go fast. Yes. Because fast you want, fast you get. So make me come take time go along at church a year before the function finish. Get for seat because me there with the chatting. Okay? And remember to like here, subscribe and share.